Bloating supplements are everywhere, and Nuora Gut Ritual claims to transform your gut health fast. But is this a real supplement that works or just overhyped marketing? Let's find out. So, Nuora Gut Ritual is marketed as a daily herbal supplement that clears gut biofilm, improves nutrient absorption, reduces bloat and water retention, and supports metabolism and digestion in phases over weeks. The brand talks about enzymes like bromelain and plant extracts aimed at unlocking gut function. Here's what might make it worth trying. Many individual users report less bloating and feeling lighter after consistent use over a couple of weeks. Ingredients like bromelain and black pepper extract have some evidence of supporting digestion and nutrient absorption in general. Real digestive enzymes and absorption enhancers can help some people with mild digestive discomfort. But here's the important bit. These claims are broad and knocked back by strong clinical trials on this specific product. The sales page talks about dramatic results that sound too good to be true without scientific evidence. Real customer reviews are mixed online. Some people love the product, but plenty of customers report serious issues, including difficulty canceling subscriptions, unexpected recurring charges, and poor customer service. The Better Business Bureau showed numerous complaints about business practices, including building and delivery problems, classic red flag, with supplements sold primarily through heavy marketing funnels. Reddit discussions note that people feel skeptical about both effectiveness and company practices, especially around subscriptions and charges. So is Nuora Gut Ritual legit or fake? It's a real product that you can buy, and some people say it helps with mild bloating and digestion, but there's no strong clinical proof that it works for everyone. And business practices like confusing subscription billing and mixed delivery experiences make it risky to buy without caution. Treat it like a gut support supplement with subtle effects, not a miracle cure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.